Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of entrepreneurship and exploring the steps to turn your business dreams into a reality. Starting your own business can be an exhilarating journey filled with challenges and opportunities. So, grab your notepad and let's get started with our step-by-step guide on how to successfully start your own business. The first step towards starting a business is to define your vision. Clearly articulate your goals, mission, and values. Ask yourself fundamental questions like, what problem does my business solve? Who is my target audience? What differentiates my business from competitors? Additionally, develop a solid business strategy that outlines your unique value proposition, marketing approach, and financial projections. Thorough market research is crucial for understanding your industry landscape, identifying potential customers, and analyzing your competition. Dive deep into market trends, customer preferences, and emerging opportunities. Gather data to support your business model, validate your assumptions, and refine your product or service offerings. Crafting a detailed business plan is an essential step in securing funding, attracting investors, and providing a roadmap for your business's future. Include sections on executive summary, company description, market analysis, organizational structure, product/service offering, marketing and sales strategy, financial projections, and implementation timeline. Identify the financial resources required to launch your business. Explore various funding options such as self-funding, loans, grants, or seeking investors. Prepare a compelling pitch deck or business proposal to convince potential stakeholders about the viability and potential returns of your business. Additionally, consider creating a contingency plan to address any financial challenges that may arise. Ensure your business complies with all legal and regulatory requirements. Register your business name, obtain necessary licenses and permits, and determine the appropriate legal structure, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc. Additionally, set up a robust accounting system, establish business bank accounts, and secure relevant insurance coverage to protect your assets. Surround yourself with a talented and dedicated team that shares your vision. Identify the key roles needed to drive your business forward and hire individuals with the right skills and expertise. Foster a positive company culture, promote effective communication, and provide opportunities for professional growth and development. Transform your business concept into a tangible product or service. Continuously refine and iterate your offerings based on customer feedback and market demands. Focus on delivering exceptional quality, value, and customer experience. Establish efficient supply chains, manage inventory, and ensure effective production processes. Create a robust marketing and sales plan to generate awareness, attract customers, and drive revenue. Leverage various marketing channels such as digital marketing, social media, content creation, and traditional advertising. Develop a strong brand identity, establish a compelling online presence, and engage with your target audience through meaningful interactions. After thorough preparation, it's time to officially launch your business. Organize a launch event or marketing campaign to create buzz and generate initial traction. Monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, analyze customer feedback, and make necessary adjustments to ensure a successful launch and continued growth. The journey of entrepreneurship is dynamic, and it requires adaptability and continuous learning. Stay updated on industry trends, consumer preferences, and technological advancements. Embrace feedback and learn from failures and successes. Build strong relationships with your customers by providing exceptional customer service. Listen to their feedback, address their concerns, and continuously strive to exceed their expectations. Implement customer retention strategies, loyalty programs, and personalized marketing approaches to foster long-term customer loyalty and advocacy. Regularly monitor your business finances to ensure profitability and sustainable growth. Maintain accurate financial records, track expenses, and manage cash flow effectively. Analyze financial statements, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions to optimize profitability. Seek growth opportunities through market expansion, product diversification, strategic partnerships, or acquisitions. Stay at the forefront of technological advancements relevant to your industry. Embrace digital tools, automation, and data analytics to streamline processes, enhance operational efficiency, and gain competitive advantages. Continuously innovate and adapt to emerging trends to stay ahead of the curve. Network with other entrepreneurs, industry professionals, and potential partners. Attend industry conferences, join business associations, and participate in networking events to expand your professional connections. Collaborate with complementary businesses to leverage synergies and tap into new markets or customer segments. Running a business can be demanding and stressful, so it's crucial to prioritize self-care and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Set boundaries, delegate tasks when necessary, and take time for rest and rejuvenation. Nurturing your physical and mental well-being will enhance your overall effectiveness as an entrepreneur. Invest in your own personal and professional development as an entrepreneur. Stay updated on industry trends, attend workshops or seminars, and seek mentorship or coaching from experienced business professionals. Continuously expand your knowledge and skills to adapt to a dynamic business environment. Congratulations! You now have a step-by-step guide to help you kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, turning your dream into a reality takes dedication, resilience, and a passion for your vision. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the milestones, and remain committed to creating a successful and fulfilling business. With determination and the right mindset, you can transform your entrepreneurial aspirations into a thriving reality. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more entrepreneurial insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep hustling, and keep building your own success story.